Hi everyone, in this video we are going to discuss about one of the test annotation attribute, that is depends on method. By specifying depends on method to a test method, we can say that this particular test method is depending on another test method. Let's see a practical example. I have five test methods here: test 1, test 2, test 3, test 4, test 5, and each one has a sysout. Let's run this test. Now we can see that test 1 is executed first, and then test 2, test 3, test 4, test 5. Let's say I have a scenario where I want to execute, before executing the test 1, I wanted to execute test 5 method. Okay, remember, I want to execute test 5 method before executing the test 1. So in that case, I can use the depends on method equal to, you have to use a parenthesis, curly braces, that means curly braces, and keep the method which you want to execute and double quotations. So by specifying depends on method testify, we say that before executing the test 1, execute test 5. Let's run this test now. Now we can see that before executing the test 1, test 5 is executed. So in this way, depends on method is very much useful. Let's see one more scenario. So by defining like this, before executing the test 1, let's execute the test 6 method. But you notice here test 6 method is not available. Okay, in this case, if you run it, the test will be failed. Let's run it. Now we can see that depends on non-existent method test 6, text 6, and none of the test method is executed. So it is important to make sure that whatever the depends on method you give is existent. Otherwise, it's gonna throw a exception. So there is a way to avoid the exception that we'll be seeing on in our next videos. Thank you very much.